Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a AMOLED display on BLACKVIEW Tab 16. And to do this, first we'll need to visit our website hardreset.info, locate this device and then scroll down. At the bottom we should find read more, click on it to reveal basic information, and the website just crashed. Let's open it again. And here we can find a display which is LCD IPS color, and that's not AMOLED. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.